Welcome to this short video on anger management, presented by the University of North Georgia's Student Counseling Department. Today we are going to look at anger and how to manage it. At some point, we all have experienced anger. This emotion usually happens when we are faced with a situation that happens unjustly. It can also present as frustration when a situation doesn't go as planned, or as a way to aggressively attempt to prevent something that you believe will negatively impact your quality of life. For many of us, anger is expressed to regain control when we feel control was wrongly taken from us. Looking deeper, anger is part of our body and brain's defense mechanism, commonly referred to as the fight, flight, or freeze response. Let me explain. There is a part of our brain that is tasked with the responsibility of constantly scanning the environment to look for danger. Once a threat is identified, this part of our brain sends a signal throughout our body saying, "Get ready for action." This readiness for action can trigger us to either run, stand and fight, or, in some cases, freeze. Anger falls into the fight category. Managing anger can be a challenge. This may be because it can make a person feel powerful. With that said, it is important to keep an eye out for the following signs that how you express your anger may be a problem. Does anger cause harm to you or others? Maybe anger is your primary emotion and negatively affects your ability to interact with others. You may feel that you are always the target of attack. So how do you better control your anger? Try to identify the purpose of your anger. Anger can be a sign of unresolved trauma, so you may benefit from the help of a professional. Practice mindfulness to learn how to manage your thoughts while living more in the moment. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or engage in yoga-like exercises. Learn how to communicate assertively. Assertiveness can help you communicate your thoughts and emotions in a clear and non-aggressive way. Identify your anger triggers and find more positive ways to cope with each trigger. Learn how to effectively de-escalate potentially aggressive interactions. For more tips and support, get help from a therapist. Students at the University of North Georgia are invited to make an appointment for a free therapy session by calling 706-867-4402. Thank you for watching. For more tips, feel free to check out other videos on our channel or resources on our website.